Today I want to show you guys Beatbot Sora 10. I got it for review. This is really nice, very cool machine, an upgraded version from previous year version. It is lighter, first of all, that's to begin with, and the difference is really there. While you are just holding, you immediately feel the difference. And another really nice cool feature is the cover. So once you open, so it doesn't have to stick and it doesn't continuously go down. So this is really nice upgrade. That is my favorite upgrade. And over here we have 5-liter basket, and you can see it is really nice, very easy to clean, and it has 180 micron, so ultra filter. You can see very thin mesh filter, so works really well. And this gives you 5 hours continuous cleaning once you select floor only mode. If you select floor and wall mode, you will of course have little less, around 4 hours or so, and it just does pretty decent job and clean the waterline as well. And you can see here, over here we have these rotating brushes. These are a little bit smaller than the previous versions, but they are still doing pretty decent job. And over here we have the traction, like bulldozer style truck that just allow the machine to work on any surface. This is compatible with almost any type of pull, including the above ground poles as well. And it has 11 different sensors, including ultrasonic sensor. And the way you operate is very simple. It's not complicated. They just remove all the complication. It's just very simple operation. You just twist right or left, whatever the option you want to select, and you will be ready to go. You can see you have the light indicator which option is selected. This is like full cycle, and you can select this will allow you to change the way it operates. You can also use this while you just place this in the water, and you can activate the eco mode. In that case, this will run 45 minutes. It will then stop, it will park. After 48 hours it will start the same cycle again. 45 minutes it will run, stop, do the same thing until it ran out of battery. So really cool. It comes with this large charger head, no more those small charger head or just bulky the charging station. You can easily use this. It just sits right into it just like that, and it reaches the full charge within 3 hours and a half. You are ready for action. So it comes with the hook. You can easily grab it like that. So over here you can see you can easily grab from this side or from the other side as well. You can see, so really nice, very cool unit. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the water and show you guys how it does. As you see how it works in the pool, right now it is time to reveal the stuff, and you can see it was able to pick up all these stuff from the pool, and it did pretty nice decent job. You can see it was able to collect all. Let's actually see how much stuff it just picked up. Just the sake of the video, you can see this is how disgusting my pool was. I left it intentionally, didn't clean up for the purpose of this video. You can see it was able to pick up all these things, and this did really nice good job. And you can see the filter, it has lots of things on it. It did really good job on filtering and keeping everything inside the basket, not allowing everything back. You can see it has this kind of flip cover. It just keeps everything inside, doesn't let anything come out. So overall this performed really well. I hope you guys found this useful.